Looking to cut down on your printing expenses without compromising quality? Kodak Verite XL replacement ink cartridges offer twice the ink of standard cartridges, letting you print up to approximately 400 pages per cartridge. That means fewer replacements, less hassle, and more value for your money. I've used these cartridges myself, and the difference is clear. Unlike messy ink bottles or refill tanks, these snap-in-place cartridges install quickly and cleanly. No spills, no fuss. Just pop them in and keep printing. That ease of use alone makes a noticeable difference, especially if you're juggling multiple printing tasks. What stands out is the balance between cost savings and reliability. While some users mention issues with the printer itself, the cartridges consistently perform well and remain easy to find, even as models age. That availability is a big plus when you depend on your printer for everyday needs. If you're tired of constantly swapping cartridges or dealing with complicated refills, Kodak Verite XL cartridges are worth a look. They deliver more prints per cartridge, reduce waste, and keep your workflow smooth. Try them when you're ready to simplify your printing routine and save. Ready to upgrade your ink experience? Choose Kodak Verite XL replacement cartridges for longer-lasting ink and straightforward installation. It's a smart way to get more from your printer without breaking the bank.